In this video tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to set reminders and expiry dates to your transactions. Reminders and expirations are powerful features to help you keep track of time-sensitive documents sent to your signers. Let's take a closer look at how these features work. To begin, click the New Transaction button in the top right-hand corner. Enter a title for your transaction. Click the Create button to proceed. Now it's time to add your documents and recipients to your transaction. Scroll to the bottom and click Settings. Next to the Email Reminders option, click the Configure button. A dialog box will appear to customize a reminder schedule to your signers. Click the toggle at the top to enable reminders to be sent to your signers. You can now set a reminder schedule. The following options are found in our built-in Reminders feature. Send reminders in days. This specifies when the first reminder will be sent. In other words, the number of days after the initial email invitation is sent. Repeat reminder allows you to send multiple reminders. Number of days specifies the number of days between successive reminders. Total reminders specifies the total number of reminders to be sent. In this example, our signer will receive a reminder in 5 days. After the 5 days, our signer will receive 4 reminders every 2 days. Click OK. Setting an expiry date to your transaction is very simple. Start by clicking the New Transaction button in the top right-hand corner. Next, enter a title for your transaction. Click Settings. Click the Expiry Date field. Now you can select the desired expiration date from the calendar. Alternatively, you can also set an expiration date after adding your documents and recipients to the transaction. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and click Settings. Click the Expiry Date field. Select the desired expiration date from the calendar. It's that easy. Reminders and expirations are a helpful way to make sure your signers will sign documents in a timely manner. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.